Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the machine safe, unplug it and turn any dials to neutral. Once done, raise the needle fully and lift the presser foot so the tension releases. Next, open the bobbin cover plate and remove the bobbin or bobbin case. This lets you inspect thread paths. Make sure you note whether your model uses a top drop-in or front-loading bobbin case, because the removal steps differ slightly. Now you can access the visible thread tail to trace back toward the spool. Next, focus on the top thread path. Remove the spool cap, lift the spool pin, and pull a little thread free. Then trace the thread through the tension discs and into the take-up lever, because knots often hide there. Turn the hand wheel toward you slowly to move the take-up lever and reveal trapped thread. This helps you pull slack without forcing mechanisms. Once the thread is free through each guide, gently draw the whole length toward the spool end to remove any snags and prevent retangling. To finish, pull both top and bobbin threads fully out toward their spools, then check the feed dogs and hook area for remnants. Clean with a brush or compressed air. Once clear, re-thread slowly to confirm smooth movement and make a short test stitch on scrap fabric. If thread won't release, use tweezers to free a knot, and if tension discs remain stuck, slightly loosen the tension assembly screw, then retighten to test. As a last resort, consult the manual for model-specific catches or service instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.